We want to find 36 square unit shapes. So using these Cuisenaire rods, we're going to investigate how many rectangles or squares can make this area. White cubes are going to be coming in a minute to measure the size of this rectangle. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units on this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units on the other side. So you have 6 times 6, which will give you 36 square units. So we're going to form another shape which will have exactly the same area of 36 square units. So we're using the same number of Cuisenaire rods to ensure that we have the same area. So we're going to be using the white cubes to measure the sides of this new shape. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 units on this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 on the other side, which will give you 4 times 9, 36 square units. We're going to create a third shape which will have the same area, which is 36 square units. So using the same number of Cuisenaire rods, we're going to create that area. So our single unit cubes will be counting the dimensions of the shape. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We've got 12 units on this side and 1, 2, 3 units on the other side, and we're just going to get rid of the excess cubes. So you have a 12 by 3 dimension for this rectangle. So 12 times 3, you have 36. Now we have 3 shapes which have the same area of 36 square units. So the dimensions are 12 by 3, 4 by 9, and 6 by 6.